Okay, wow, this is insane. Like, I love this camera. Alright, so this video is not even about this camera, but I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and I can actually see myself recording through that. It's insane. Plus, I can hook it up to a microphone thanks to USB Type-C. Anyway, on with the video. So, this video is sponsored by a company called HP Hope Bagpack Incorporated. It's a brand from China, if I'm not mistaken. They've hit me up and sent me one of their latest bags, which is this guy right here. I mean, it's pretty cool. It's called the HP Hope. So this is the HP Hope backpack, as you can see over here. Pretty cool. It comes in a green color. There's several other colors. I'll probably put it up here if I can find a link to it. So this is one of their backpack series called HP Hope, manufactured in Guangzhou Kaiki Trading Corporation. Interesting. So they've sent me one of their bags to review, and I'm not gonna lie, this is a pretty decent looking bag. Well, quality wise, it's a little bit thin. The material is a more fabric like. I like the green color though, a little bit of Loki-esque theme, you know. So it's very nice. It's a very compact backpack. I mean, suitable for like college or school even, or well, obviously traveling. So they've sent me the backpack, and I'm going to show you some of the features that this one has. So from the exterior, as you can see over here, there is a front slot. So there's a front slot right over here that opens. It's not really that deep. It fits maybe a phone, maybe, or some of your small stuff if you want to put your lip balm or anything that's easy to access, your wallet maybe. It's not really that deep. It's shallow, and that's mainly because there's two zips on each sides, and these two are separate zips. Like, so if you see on the side over here, there's one zip over here. It opens up, and it's very deep, as you can see, and it comes with a little key ring if you want to attach your keychain or anything of sorts, or a key card even. So that's a really nice handy little tool that they've got, and it goes pretty deep inside, fairly deep, and it doesn't connect to this side's zip, as you can see over here. So you got another option. This time there's like several slots to fit, like, I don't know, maybe cables or cards or even your wallet, as you can see over here. Hold on, actually, can I zoom this? I can. This is sick. Oh, this camera is sick. Okay, never mind. On with the video. So you can, as you can see clearly, there's like 3 slots to put 3 separate things. I'm gonna, if I were using it, I'd use it for like a cable management, or put your power bank, your wallet, your passport if you're traveling far. So very nice. And the cool thing is, both of these zips, they don't connect, like they're on their own separate compartment. So it doesn't matter the fact that this is a little bit shallow, so it sort of compensates on having these 2 slots over here. So very nice. So far I'm digging it. And then comes with the back side. As you can see, the straps are extendable. One thing I really like about this is the fact that it has a little clip, so in case if your little strap is dangling, you can sort of clip it over there. Fairly good, fairly decent. And over here there's a little strap in case if you're traveling, you can, I guess, slot it onto your trolley of your suitcase. Very nice. And there's a little zip, as you can see over here. Hold on. So you can see down right here, there's a little zip you can open and put probably all your important stuff. If you're traveling and you're worried about theft and sorts, you can put your wallet and your passports, all your valuables inside this slot right here. So it's because you're gonna be wearing the bag, harder to access, so neat. And then comes to there's 2 slots, as you can see over here, the main one and then the back one, which is very heavily padded. It can roughly fit up to a 16-inch laptop, and that's if you're pushing it, ideally 14 to 15. So it's decently padded, so for protection and all that, so very nice. And then comes to the main slot of the bag. Or before that, there's also two water bottle areas that's extendable thanks to this little band over here. So the main compartment is fairly huge, so you can really fit a decent amount of things inside. There's like a large slot over here to fit like your iPad or a notebook over here, and then two little tinier slots to maybe fit your phone or an SSD or any storage system. Honestly, the main slot to fit larger stuff that has the cables. As you can see, it comes in type A and type C. Very nice. That's good. And then the front over here, as you can see over here, there's like a transparent area to maybe fit something that you want to access quicker because it's more visible to see. You can put your cables, your passports, wallet, any sort of stuff, maybe your toiletries even, in this slot right here, like a little waterproof-esque look. And then there's two more slots here to fit more things. Very nice. So this was the HP Hope backpack. Very nice. I'll leave a link in the description for you to check out if you're interested. These are decently cheap bags. For this iPad, you can get this bag to the Amazon store. So it says over here, HP Hope backpack for men, laptop backpack men with USB charging port. Amazon's titles are product titles are very interesting. So you can get it for $31, very decent, 50% off even. And there's three different colors. There's green, there's sort of red, but it's more like maroon, and then there's a completely different bag. So interesting. Okay, so it says up here it can fit up to 15.6-inch laptop, but you can push it if you're using like a slim laptop like the MacBook. You maybe can fit that. So yeah, if you want to get one of these for yourself, a link will be in the description. Thank you, HP Hope. By the way, this is not HP as in Hewlett Packard. This is a completely different brand. So that's nothing to note. HP, don't sue me. So if you want to get this for yourself, link in the description. And I'm pretty sure they've also given me a discount code. So if they've given it, I'll leave it in the description below. And that's all I gotta say for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.